Exercise 4 from the set number 8 from my own SAT papers. It's a distance problem. Sarah is planning to bike 800 miles. So, assuming that here we have Sarah, she wants to bike a total of 800 miles. And she bikes 160 miles, so she will be biking 160 miles each week, per week. After W weeks, so after W weeks, she will have biked 160 times W. Which of the following gives the remaining distance D in miles? So, after W weeks, she will have biked 160 times W, and the original goal was 800 miles. So the remaining would be what is left if from the 800 we take out this 160W. Then, by looking at the suggested answers, we can clearly see that D is the right choice here.